The two of us, me and Karin. Say hi, Karin.
Hello.
We're going to the high roller, like the wheel, to see the Las Vegas. So excited. Okay, so we've already been on the top. It's about 550 feet tall, very tall. It has a nice view of the whole city, of its surroundings. But it looks like that today we are testing my limits of my fear of heights, which I think I've gotten over almost. What do you say?
Almost. When he's standing at the edge, he's like, oh my gosh!
So, it is our third day, also our last day in Nevada. We already left our hotel room. We said goodbye to Vegas, which took some of our money. But okay, now we're going back to Riverside, and on our way there we are stopping in Peggy Sue's vintage restaurant. I think it's 50s or 80s themed, and we're having like sort of a brunch there. And afterwards we're gonna drive also on the historic route 66, and we're gonna see what's the fuss about, if it's really so beautiful and interesting to see it. So yeah, we still have a fun day ahead of us, although it's our last day. Just ate. We left the Peggy Sue's restaurant. I really liked it. Did you like it, guys?
Yeah.
It was really delicious, very good. So right now we are driving on Route 66, and I don't know, I think it's very nice to watch around, but Karin,
Nothing special.
she does not appreciate the little things.
I do.